Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and it's 2 o'clock, so that means it is time for Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host from Crate Insider, Kate Dillon, and I want to thank you for being here. So let's kick this off and talk about what we're giving away this week. So what I'm giving away for starters, and all you have to do to enter is you can just leave a comment. You can say hi, you can leave an emoji, you can ask a question, do any of those things. And what I'm giving away is I have this shirt here from Walker Performance Filtration. And it's got Walker here on the front and then Walker on the back. And this happens to be a 4X. So it's like, it is what it is. It's the shirt that I have is a 4X from Walker Performance. And just like I said, just leave a comment. Now we'll also be doing a second giveaway too at the end of the show. And just, if you know what my sign said last week, go ahead and drop that in as a comment. And then I will go ahead and do that drawing. And what we're going to give away there is a Crate Insider t-shirt. And with a Crate Insider t-shirt, I have them in all sizes from small to 4X, so you'll be able to pick your size in that. So we do two separate drawings, and so we're going to kick that off. I see some familiar faces here. I've got Mikey and Jonathan and Brad. Thank you all for being here. Oh my gosh, there's even new follower things, fan badges. That's what I was trying to think of. So Mikey, you're an anniversary follower. I'm not sure what that means. And I see we have a milestone follower here. Bob, you're a milestone follower, so that's pretty cool. So this is pretty cool. I haven't seen these badges here before. So these are some new ones. I see top fan sometimes. I'm a top fan on a couple of sites, but that's a new one. So that's really exciting. So let's kick this off and what we're featuring this week. And what we're featuring is this new caster gauge kit from Hammond Motorsports. And we shot a video and it just published last Thursday showing this caster gauge kit. But let me go ahead and jump inside and show you what's all in here in this kit. First of all, I love that it's in this case so you can keep all the stuff together, but then it comes with this intercomp angle finder right here. And this is the really cool part, that the innovative part is that Dave designed this bracket, and then you can put this onto a spindle to then, and that's why you have all of these different fitting things here. There we go, these little adapters, that's the word I was looking for. Adapters right there, depending on what kind of spindle you have. So they work for late models, it works for modifieds, works for a variety of different kinds of spindles and cars. And this whole kit is just really nicely put together. This runs $199, and so we've started selling these. And in fact, I just got a shipment, so I've got a shipment of these in stock. They're ready to go out the door at any time. So I think it's a really cool innovation. Anybody who's, oops, I didn't mean to hold it upside down. Anybody who's commented on these or reviewed them, it's all been positive. So the HMS or Hammond Motorsports caster gauge kit, and that's our featured. But now, instead of doing like our top 5 products of the week, we actually have a bunch of new products, and so I thought I'd bring those in and feature the new products that we just have added. So they're in no particular order here, but let's go ahead and kick things off. And I know it's not really in the number 5 spot, but the first item we're going to talk about is we have now added the Walker, whoops, there we go. It's always fun to be on video. Okay, so the Walker pre-filters, they're white and people have been asking for them. So I went ahead and ordered some Walker white pre-filters, and these will fit whether you've got a 3-inch Walker or a 4-inch Walker filter. It'll fit either one. So they want them to be a little bit baggy. That way the oil doesn't stick onto the pre-filter and then block the pre-filter. So I was actually talking to Ben Walker about that. And so we don't want it to be super, super tight. We want it to have a little bit of bagginess to it. And this is, I'm showing it to you on a 4-inch Walker air filter, which of course we sell as well. So the Walker pre-filters, they run $29.95. All right, next up, since I was placing an order with Walker and people keep asking, I wasn't going to sell 2 different sizes of air filters, but I have decided to now add the 3-inch filter. So again, 3 inches is going to be the height of the element. It's not going to be the height of the whole air filter. It's going to be the height of the element. But this way, if you need to have a slightly shorter filter than the 4-inch we've been selling, then this is a way to go. So that Walker air filter, and it runs $99. All right, next up is another innovation or an expansion of a product line. So we've of course been selling race fans since forever. So since they really entered the nationwide market, and we started with a 19-inch fan, and those were popular, and then people were asking for 17s. So then race fans started making a 17-inch fan, and now they've been asked to make a 15-inch fan. So now we have a 15-inch race fan. Now I happen to be showing the 4-inch or the 4-blade. We can do 3-blade, and they're exactly the same price as the 19 and the 17-inch fans. So like a 3-blade fan, for instance, runs $217.50. Just be aware, I haven't updated the pictures on the website yet, so all the fans look exactly the same. I've got pictures to take this afternoon in the next few days anyway, to try to update that. But now if you're looking for a 15-inch race fan, we can do that. And what's cool is this is the one with the interchangeable blades. Now I'm not showing it with the bolts in it because it does obviously have hardware, but for instance, we can easily switch this from as I rip these blades off of here, 15-inch from a 4-blade. Now we've got a 2-blade fan. So that's how simple it is. Well, like I said, you'll have bolts in there and they fit really, really tight. So it's a process, but I just wanted to show you that. That's what's cool about these, is it's an interchangeable blades. Also, if you've already got a 19 or 17, you can just order the blades. I mean, all the hardware fits the same. So, you just really have a really versatile system that can take you all the way through the entire season, no matter what the temperatures are. So the 15-inch race fan is our next newest product there. All right. I'm going to take a look at any comments here, see if and we've got a couple more products to tell you about here. And let's see here. Some folks know what the sign said last week, so that's always exciting. Let's see. Jessica's daughters, Maya and Jaden, I'm going to say hi to you back. So thank you for watching. Let's see. Mikey says, is there an option to buy the new Willys ICT carb with the new Super Bowl system already installed, or do they need to be bought separate? We can do it. Well, you can buy them both together, and then they'll put it all together for you before it goes out the door. So I can help you with that, Mike. You just give me a call. We can totally hook you up with that. No problem at all. Let's see here. People loving the Walker new items, great. And Bill, he says he's here a few minutes late, better late than never. No, glad to have you. So we're a few products in and we got 2 more to go. So then the next one I'm going to talk about, we've been selling the Schaefer's Citral cleaner in the cans for quite a while, and now we've started selling it. We just got this in, so now I have it in the gallons. So this gallon size, and these, I would open this, but then I'd break the seal. But it smells like oranges, so I actually love using this particular cleaner for my for my stove, for instance, and get that fresh orange smell going in the kitchen. I mean, it's some pretty heavy duty hardcore stuff. I mean, it's an industrial degreaser, it's a cleaner, and it's pretty hardcore. I guess it'll do all kinds of things. Let's see. Removes adhesives, asphalt, wax, grease, rubber marks, oil, scuff marks, tree sap, tar, and more. So I have a feeling you got to be careful around paint. I haven't messed with it on paint a whole lot, but now we have this Citral in the gallons, and it is available for $52.79 for a gallon. All right, next up. So we have been on the struggle bus lately because we've been selling Pro-Cam fuel pumps for the last few years, and all of a sudden the housings are no longer available, so the fuel pumps aren't available, and I've been scrambling trying to find a solution for my fuel pump issue, and now I have one. So today I want to introduce the fact that we now have the Quick Fuel pump, and it even comes with a regulator. So this is 130 gallon per minute. Is it 130? Can't be. GPH, so gallons per hour, 130, that would be a lot. I mean, that'd be like breaking a dam to have 130 gallons a minute. Anyway, 130 GPH, right? And then for the PSI on this, it is 12 to 16 PSI. And so that's why having the regulator with it as well, it already handles your fuel pressure, so you can regulate that. And this Quick Fuel, and plus I really like the look of this. I mean, look how, I will tell you, I mean, I am all about some shiny things. So I really do like the look of it. And this is meant for, you know, of course, small block Chevys, so it'll work on 602s and 604s. And this one runs $159.95. So that is our new fuel pump that we're selling, and it, like I said, comes with the regulator, so that's pretty cool. Because Quick Fuel is the brand of regulators that we generally use in our bypass regulator kits. So anyway, really nice that you get them together at that price point for $159.95. Is I feel like it's a great value and will help a lot of people. So I'm glad to have a fuel pump. All right, so I'm gonna take a look at some more comments here, and then we're gonna jump into the drawings that we have this week here. I'm just gonna see if there's any questions. Brad says, sometimes I need to shower with that stuff. I'm sure you're talking about Citrol. I don't know if you'd have any skin left. It is some pretty heavy duty stuff. And let's see, Bill says that's a top fuel pump, 130 gallons per minute. You never know what's gonna happen on live video. 130 gallons per hour. Not really sure how I messed that one up. Yeah, so there we go. There's my cheat sheet right there, 130 GPH. So I'm assuming that's gallons per hour. All right, so let's go ahead and do some drawings. I need some paper around here someplace, but we got lots and lots of comments, and I'm gonna bring up my random number generator here. And I got Alex in the studio helping out. And let's see, so he even handed me a piece of paper. Great, and we've got our drawings that we'll work on here. Great. So I should have answers on that. I'm going to see if there are any any more questions over here for anyone. Let's see. Mikey asks, is the Quick fuel pump a good option for the Willie Super Bowl? Actually, I'll talk to you about that, Mikey. I know that Willie is working on a fuel pump that may be a better solution. But yeah, this is a high enough. It's definitely higher on the PSI version, so it would work with it, but there may be even a better option, and you and I can talk about that and talk with Willie, because I know he's got a new fuel pump coming out. Let's see, will the regulator go down to 8 pounds? That shouldn't be a problem. All right, so our first winner of our Walker t-shirt is Robert Elkins. So Robert, if you would, please send me a private message with your address. And this happens to be a 4X shirt, so I will send this out to you, Robert. And just leave a private message with your address, and I'll get that sent out to you. And then for my second drawing is Vicky Pina Burnham. So Vicky, you have a choice. I mean, we're getting a Crate Insider t-shirt because you knew my sign. So just send me a private message with your size as well as your address, and I'll get that sent out to you as well. All right, I'm gonna see if there's any other questions here. And I think we got all the questions. So that is all we have. That is everything we have for this week for Top 5 Tuesday on August 27th, 2019. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you next week. Good luck at the track this weekend.